Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made the best asparagus I have ever tasted. Now asparagus, besides having the ability to make your pee smell absolutely horrible, also is a pretty keto-friendly vegetable, coming in at only 2 net grams of carbs in a 1 cup serving. Now I'm going to show you not only how to cook asparagus to make it taste absolutely amazing, I'm also going to show you a couple of little hacks along the way that I think you're going to like. Now this first hack is not mine. I got this from Thomas Keller. You know, when you're eating asparagus, that top maybe 3/4 is pretty good, pretty tender. You get down towards the bottom and it's kind of like chewing on bamboo. You can see the ends there. You can see that sort of fibrous sort of texture. Interestingly, when you bend asparagus, it will break right at the point where it starts becoming tender. So I'm going to go ahead and break off all of these sort of rougher, fibrous ends, and these are going to go into my compost bin. Sometimes if it's not snapping right away, you need to give it a little like slinky back and forth motion. I'll put my spears into a baking dish here. Then I'm going to chop up 2 cloves of garlic. Add that to the asparagus. And then I'm going to drizzle these with some olive oil, a little sprinkle of salt, and then just give them a little toss to make sure they're all coated. We'll set these aside while I preheat our grill. All right, my grill is preheated. The left side, where I'd normally be cooking a steak, I've got set to high. Where I'm going to be doing my asparagus in this vegetable tray, I've got set to medium. Cooking these while you cook a steak allows that steak smoke to really kind of infuse that broccoli. If you're not having steak, here's another little hack. I've got a little scrap of ribeye here. We're just going to put this on our hot side and let that provide our beef smoke. We'll cook for about 10 minutes. Turning the asparagus over so that they get well cooked on all sides. And you can see how our beef has given us this nice beef smoky incense to infuse our asparagus. It has been just about 10 minutes. Color is looking good on these. I think it's time to get them off the grill. Now we'll plate these up. Put a handful of spears here. And then we're going to top this with some of our cacio e pepe compound butter, which I will link to right there. We're going to grate it with a microplane. And you can see now that that butter is melting on the surface. Smells so good. And we'll finish it off with a little squeeze of lemon juice. All right, you ready for a taste test?
Yes.
Okay, you need to wait. You'll get a smaller bite. So, I'm going to grab a spear.
Best asparagus I've ever had.
It's so tender. You've got that little bit of crisp from the char, from the grill. But what I love about it, in addition to the cacio e pepe, so you get your butter, you get your pepper, you get your Parmesan, but that beef taste that you get from the smoke. Oh, boy. What do you think, Colton? What do you think? Is it a win? You like it? Oh, you're reaching for mine. You must like it. There you go. Here's how you get your baby to eat asparagus. Yum?
Is that good?
So there you go. The best asparagus I've ever made. And I hope the best you'll ever make. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button, click that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, tap that bell if you want to be notified whenever I release a new video, and if you're interested in supporting the Serious Keto Test Kitchen, click that join button to see what some of the options are. no obligation. Thanks for watching.